Namaskaram everyone. Today I have received Rudra Diksha. Been waiting for a long time. So we will today unbox this one and we will see the question and answers here. Before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's unbox this one. So the first one they have given is what are the four items? We have this one. This has around six languages here. So Rudraksha, Abhaya Sutra, Isha Vibhidi, and Adiyogi image. These are the four things have been packed in Rudra Diksha. Then we have the Adiyogi image. Adiyogi image. Then we have the energized one, Isha Vibhidi, the consecrated energized one. And then we have the Rudraksha, beard by Adiyogi, the consecrated one, consecrated by Sadguru, especially for this Maha Shivaratri. So there are three breeds here. We can unbox this one now. So here comes the Panchamukhi, the five faces Rudraksh. Anyone can wear this one. Along with this, we have the rope for wearing the Rudraksh, and we have the Abhay Sutra also. So let me move on to the details more about this now. What is Rudraksh? Rudraksh are dried seeds of tree, which most grows in selected locations of Southeast Asia, Upper Himalayan of Indian subcontinent. Rudraksha literally means tears of Shiva. So what are the benefits of wearing Rudraksh? Rudraksh are very supportive in maintaining physical and mental balance, can help reduce blood pressure, calm one's nerve, and improve one's skin. So some of the very subtle processes assist in meditation, cleansing of aura, and providing protection against negative energies. So who can wear Rudraksh? Anyone can wear of age, gender, and culture, geographically. Where Rudraksh should be worn? It's always should be worn around the neck. Can I wear Rudraksh while taking a bath? If you take cold water bath and are not using any chemical soap, it is especially good for the water to flow over it and on your body. But if you are using chemical soap and warm water, it becomes brittle and will crack after some time. So best to avoid wearing at such time. So that during that time we can keep Rudraksh on a cloth while taking bath with soap. Is it okay for ladies to wear Rudraksh during menstruation? Yes, Rudraksh can be worn by everyone at all any times. Any natural thing we can wear it. If you don't want to wish to wear for some time, how it can be stored? For some reason, if you are unable to wear it, you can keep safely wrapped in a natural cotton cloth. What should I do when I receive the Rudraksh? This is the main thing. It's important to first condition the Rudraksh before wearing them. To condition new Rudraksh beads, immerse them in the clarified butter for 24 hours and then soak them in full fat milk for additional 24 hours. Rinse them with water and wipe the beads with a clean cloth. Do not wash them with soap or other chemical agents. Conditioning should be done every 6 months. So what are the benefits of wearing Rudraksh? Is copper chain. Copper is a metal that can create certain energy and assist in meditation. Bringing in contact with the body can help to strengthen and stabilize one's energy system. But the Rudraksh should not get damaged while wearing it. If it's damaged, we should not use it. We should replace it. So regarding Vibhuti, already we know the Vibhuti is a consecrated one. It's a sacred ash, very closely associated with Adiyogi Shiva. And Isha Vibhuti always been imbibed the energy of Dhyanlinga. It's kept for a certain period of time for consecration, where we have to apply the Vibhuti. So traditionally Vibhuti is taken in the ring finger and thumb and applied in various parts of body, between the eyebrows, known as Agna Chakra, pit of the throat, Vishuddhi Chakra, and then in center of the chest where the ribcage meets, known as Anahata Chakra. So Vibhuti is applied at the Agna to enhance one's clarity, at Vishuddhi to establish a certain power in your way of being, and Anahata to bring dimension of love and devotion to your life. So coming to Abhay Sutra, Abhay Sutra is basically consecrated that one should wear. Abhay means without fear, and Sutra is one's supporting overcoming fear and fulfilling ambition. What material is used? Abhay Sutra is made of cotton thread. How to make a Abhay Sutra? Woman must wear it on the left wrist and men should wear it on the right wrist. must be worn for minimum of 40 days. It can be removed by untying or burning it. Please do not cut it, and dispose it of either by burying it on wet soil or burning it and applying the ashes from your Vishuddhi. So the last one is Adiyogi image, and the significance of Adiyogi is provides methods to evolve human consciousness that are relevant to all times. The tools for transformation that Adiyogi offered to humanity thousands of years ago are not not only relevant but essentially today. The 112 phase of Adiyogi at Isha Center is a powerful reminder and inspiration to all of us. So now we have clarified all the questions. So everyone can make use of this Rudraj Diksha, which is offered by Sadhguru. So it will take around 4 to 8 weeks of the time, they have said clearly. And I received the SMS message once it is dispatched, and the morning I received the SMS message, and in the evening I received the Rudrak Diksha. So this is a very, very powerful tool. Everyone can make use of this, since it's specifically consecrated by Sadhguru and given by Adiyogi. So Rudraks is very good for health and mentally, physically and mentally. So everyone should make use of this. So you get 3 Rudraks bead for 1 mobile registration. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe this channel. We are also taking yoga classes and meditation classes offline or online in Chennai. We will provide you the details. You can contact us for any further details for Isha Hatha Yoga classes happening in Chennai. Namaskaram.